Welcome back. Cooking is an important aspect of Ramadan, making it the perfect time to look into the art of crafting delicious and nourishing meals for your loved ones. Our chef is dedicated to sparking creativity in the kitchen and celebrating the rich cultural heritage of Ramadan through his culinary explorations. You are invited to join us and savor something delightful today.
Hello everyone, this is Chef Tarun. Throughout Ramadan, prioritizing a nutritious diet is crucial for maintaining good health. In this dedicated segment, we are going to show you how to use leftover ingredient and create an eye-opener dish. Today's leftover ingredient is basmati rice. And I'm going to show you how basic ingredients come together and taste so good. So let's check out. So we have boiled basmati rice, white mushrooms, egg, chopped onions, fresh garlic, parmesan cheese, fresh thyme, spring onion, truffle oil and salt and pepper. To begin with our process, we need to freeze our rice mix. For that, I'm going to use spring onions and I'm going to chop it finely. Adding spring onion to the rice mixture adds lots of freshness and it definitely takes the taste on the next level. We'll take 1 cup of rice. We'll take 1 egg. Salt. Black pepper. And fresh chopped spring onion. I'm going to mix it nicely with the spoon, and you have to mix it to a level where everything is so binded well. Now we'll take this deep tray, a glass tray. I will use butter paper and I'm going to pour my rice mixture into this. Before I wrap it up and put it into freezer, I need to make sure that it has been completely leveled, because if I need to cut the correct sizes of the rice cake, it should be at one uniform form. So look how beautifully has been set now in the tray. So I'm going to clean wrap this. So this is fully packed and you can freeze it for minimum 3 to 4 hours or overnight. Since I have already kept my previous batch which is ready to use, which I'm going to use it for my recipe now, but we have to prepare for the topping. So we will start preparing for the topping now. For this one, I'm going to freeze it for my next use. So to begin with prep, we have to chop some garlic as fine as possible. About 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. We'll take white mushrooms. It's easier to chop them when you remove the stems. And you gotta take some fresh thyme. About 3 to 4 sprigs. Super amazing. You just have to pluck the leaves and remove the stem. So let's start cooking. Oil, about 2 tablespoons. So now when the oil is hot, you can start with chopped onions. About 1 tablespoon. All of the garlic, keep the heat high because you want your onions to be super soft. Once you get the fragrance of onion, start putting your chopped mushrooms. And fresh thyme. Salt. Black pepper. Our sauteed mushroom is ready, and I'm going to transfer it into a bowl to let it cool down. And it smells so good. So this is your sauteed mushroom topping. It's ready. So now we bring back our old friend, which is freeze rice cake. This is your freeze rice cake, and now I'm going to cut them into bite-sized portions. There we go. So in the same pan, I'm going to toast my rice cakes. I'm gonna start with some oil again. And once the oil is hot, we're going to put it on the pan. Make sure you give enough time to the rice cake so that they become crispy on the lower level, and then we are going to flip it on the other side. You can see that how crispy they have come from one side. We'll wait for them to cook on the other side as well. Once they are super crispy, we'll take it down and we'll let it cool. So now they are fully cooked, and I'm going to take them on the plate. So we have our mushroom, and we're going to top it up on our rice cakes. To finish with, we're going to use Parmesan cheese, and we're going to grate it over mushrooms. So this is your crispy rice cakes with sauteed mushroom on top. With Rice Krispies on the side, we are going to make a drink which is gonna be a smoothie. So let's check out the ingredient. We have fresh spinach leaves, flax seeds, chia seeds, fresh coconut milk, and fresh banana. So let's start with fresh banana. We're going to peel it. Handful of spinach, 2 teaspoons of flax seeds, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, and 200 ml coconut milk. How easy was that? Let's blend. There we go. Specifically, I call this smoothie a green machine because it's green in color, of course, and it will recharge your body like a machine. So let's pour it into a glass. So your green machine smoothie is ready. So we have here is leftover Rice Krispies with sauteed mushroom, Along with, we are going to pair it well with super smoothie. We call it green machine. And this is the perfect appetizer and a smoothie to break your iftar. So do try out this recipe and let us know how do you feel about it. We will come back with another exciting recipe next week. Till then, Ramadan Kareem to you and your family.